In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sign up form to your Google Sites. Whether you're looking to collect email addresses for a newsletter or gather other important information, a sign up form can be a powerful tool for your website. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily integrate this feature using Elfsight. First things first, navigate to my Elf site. This is where you'll find a variety of widgets that can enhance the functionality of your site. Once you've arrived at the website, look for the catalog section. Here, you'll find an extensive selection of options. Go ahead and click on catalog to start exploring. With the catalog open, use the search bar to type in subs. This should bring up a list of relevant widgets, and you'll want to look for the subscription form. Click on it to get started. The subscription form widget is specifically designed for capturing user data, such as email addresses, making it ideal for our needs. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Take your time to browse through the available options and find a design that best fits your site's aesthetic. Once you've made your choice, click on Continue with this template. This will allow you to customize the template further. One of the great features of Elfsight is the ability to add fields to your form. If there are specific pieces of information you need to gather from your users, feel free to include those fields now. For instance, it's always recommended to add an email field to ensure you collect the contact information you require. Additionally, you can edit the submit button text, which might say notify me or something similar. Personalize it to match the tone of your website and make it as inviting as possible for users to engage with. Once you're satisfied with your form's appearance and functionality, click on Publish. A screen will appear that offers different pricing plans. If you're just testing things out or have minimal requirements, simply click Select under the free plan. With your form published, you'll be given a piece of code. Click on Copy Code. Now it's time to integrate this into your Google site. Head over to your Google site and navigate to the page where you'd like to add the sign up form. In the editing tools, click on Embed and then Embed Code. Paste the code you copied from Elfsight into this box. Click Next and you should see a preview of your form. If everything looks good, click Insert. Your sign up form is now live on your Google site, ready to start collecting information from your visitors, and there you have it, you've successfully added a sign up form to your Google site. This can be a powerful way to connect with your audience, gather valuable data, and enhance your site's interactivity. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy site building.